Hello. I was waiting out for half an hour and like I was gonna say that it's really humid and hot out. I don't know how hot it is, but it's hot. And I don't like it. It was like, It was torture. And I have hiccups. I don't want to take. Still reading a book, halfway finished. Ugh. My room is hot too. It's a freaking sauna. So I'm just laying down. Meh. Although reading didn't take as long as it did last time I did, which was like the day before or the day of that we were going to get Emily. Grr. Freaking hiccups. And it took like 2.5 to 3 hours just to weed the front part of the lawn. And it was just bad. This time it only took like maybe half an hour, maybe. Not as long. And my hair was wet because I got out of the shower. And then I went, which was kind of a dumb thing, but I didn't want to. Plus I wasn't sweating as much. So my hair was like completely soaked. You go outside for half an hour, it's half dry. So yeah, it's kind of humid. It's maybe a little more than half dry, I don't know. So yeah, I gotta get rid of these hiccups. But, and then I hope that got rid of them. I have a glass of water near my bed. Oh, didn't get rid of them. One second, I'll be right back. I think they're gone. Yay! Hope I'm not jinxing myself. Yay! They're gone. Much better. I had to go to the bathroom with my glass, fill it up with the water, and plug my nose and drink at the same time. It always works. Almost always. Dun, dun, dun. Seems like it's gone now. Well, Emily's gone. Sad face. It was fun having her, but I like my own bed. I really like my bed. I don't like sharing my bed. I hug the blankets. My sister kept stealing them from me, so I was like, man, they're mine. Give them back. So I'm glad I don't have to do that anymore. Yay. And I could never sleep in because she gets up at like 9 o'clock. I like to sleep until noon because I'm a lazy teenager like that needs sleep. So yeah, not fun, but I miss her. I do. But she kind of became like a sister, so yeah. So today's actually my grandma's birthday, so we get to go to I forgot where. Oh, Sensation. Literally, it's just Sens Asian. The word Asian, like Asians. It's a pun. It's a really good place. They have like Japanese stuff, like bento boxes. That's only for lunch for me. They have a whole bunch of soups, a whole bunch of curry stuff, Thai food, Chinese food, anything Asian. They have it. Basically. Hence the name. And it's really, really good. So, and they also have fruit smoothies, like watermelons. Those are in season, so I have that. I have normal melon. I have that. Kiwi something I had last time. That was good. it's the seeds in it. The seeds are just weird. Kiwi seeds. I've never ate those. They like bite through like a little crunch, and then there's nothing. It's weird. I don't like it. So yeah, I had that last time, and then I had this curry. I forgot what it was called, but they said it was. They said that it was kind of spicy, but it wasn't very spicy at all. That I tasted, at least. Yeah. Oh! I just tripped my iPad. Oops. Anyway, but I caught it. Ha. Like, I was holding it by the corner. Well, you guys can't see it, but like at the edge of the case that I'm pushing right now. It's the corner of that, so yay, I saved it. Sort of. Sorry about that. So we're going there for dinner, and it's good food. I don't remember what we got my girl for her birthday. I don't remember. I remember like a little flamingo stuff because she's freaking loves flamingos. It's her favorite animal. She's obsessed with it. Making her angel food cake. Nom nom nom. With she wanted like mint green frosting. Yay! No idea how to make that. Fuck, I did it. So whatever. She's supposed to be mowing the lawn, but she's not doing that. As you cannot hear any motor going, so that's gonna be that. I got paid $10 to do the weeding, so I get mine. Woo! And then Becca's not doing it. I don't know why. I think like her uncle called her. Yeah. Didn't get much sleep last night. I'm tired. Anyway. And missed his call, so she's calling him back or something like that. I don't know. I don't know. She's weird. So anyway, yeah. So yeah. It's a battle that's going on today. Oh my god. I'm getting too lazy to cover my mouth, so I'm just moving the camera out of the way. Lazy American. America. Fuck yeah. Okay. So yeah, oh yeah, there's a French conversation table tonight, so I get to take out of that. Yay! So yeah, that'll be fun. Trying to speak French. Oh god. Me. I suck because I'm not very good at fluently at it. I don't speak fluent at all. I mean, there's some things that I can't say, like je ne sais pas, and small little phrases that are like a really small sentence. But I can't speak like a freaking paragraph fluently. Oh god. Even if I'm trying to read it, like, if I read it, I get it perfectly. Saying it loud, nope. No fucking idea. Especially when, actually, when Millie was here and we were watching one of her favorite TV shows on the internet, YouTube, woo. And so we were watching it. I only caught like half the stuff. By the time I got it, then I got better though. I got better. Yay! I wrote, I don't remember what it was called, but we were watching it. I could probably just go to history of the laptop and see what it was, but I don't want to right now. So, yeah. We watched a whole bunch of movies while she was here. We watched Finding Nemo, Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Man's Chest. That's my favorite one. I got jaded, I got jaded, I got jaded. Yes, it's... Okay, that's too much, but still. There's a lot of funny stuff in that movie. Is a jaded gonna help? If you don't want it, give it back. No! That's Millie's favorite part. It's my favorite part too, but there's several parts that are good. Then we watched Gremlins, Cloudy Chance of Meatballs. That's actually really good. Gremlins is cute, but it's kind of like, oh my god. Ugh. Ugh. So yeah. Oh, we watched trying to remember all of them we watched, because we watched so many ones. Although I was sad because we couldn't find Monty Python and the Holy Grail. We have it somewhere, but I don't remember where we put it. So yeah, we wanted to watch it, but couldn't, because we can't find it. Me. What else did we watch? Yeah, I don't remember. Oh, Narnia? I don't remember. Me. Narnia. There was just like 10 different movies. I don't remember at all. Oh, Parent Trap. Yeah, we watched that one. The original one with Lindsay Lohan as the twins. Yeah, they did like a remake or something like that without her. It was weird. I like the original better. Or is it? I think there's like 2 remakes of the original, and the original's like, I don't know. But the one with Lindsay Lohan as the twins. Oh, what else? I don't remember the rest. There's like half of them that we watched. I'm not even gonna remember. So, yay! I need to do my best.